Hello and welcome. I have just added the code THETA/BTC to my portfolio. I watched a video from the JSNIP4 channel. If you have not watched it, it is a woo-woo video. I love woo-woo stuff. I really, really do. And actually, I do have a lot of belief that, and I do believe every human is psychic. I also realize that when I get information like this, is it the time to put your whole life savings into it? Well, a decent amount of Bitcoin, I could put 7 Bitcoin in and get almost $500,000 of these things, because this psychic apparently thinks that would go to over $1,000. Well, that'd be over $500 million. So I decided to put 1% of that down instead, which is just a small speculation. See how that goes. A little over 4,000 of these I've added. I just even think just because of that video over the next few days, it's probably going to have a decent sized move. This is a 5-minute time frame. This is also on the exchange Huobi.pro, Huobi. When I found this, I looked on the coin market cap, and I figured it had the highest volume, so that's the first place I went to. Exchange looked nice. Signed up, said some cryptos, made the trade, and I'm in. On the 30-minute time frame, we will bring this one up. There's a situation of it having a sideways move. A nice little move again after the sideways breakout to this area, back down to its consolidation, and now rising back close to that high. So that's a nice little pattern that I like to see. But it gets even better when you look at this on the daily time frame. It's a beautiful daily chart because it's pretty low compared to where it was. It came out, had a decent early rise, and the early selling that came in afterwards. Another little bit of a quick rally that sold off, but not like it did before. And now we're seeing this market look as if it's, well, I'm not going to say it looks like it's ready to break out, but if it is, it's at nice productive early stages in which I would be looking for this too. Let's take a look at this on CoinMarketCap. And there we can see, just again, it's had its decline. This is a log scale as well. It's moved down here, and we'll see how this goes, because is it speculation? Yeah. And speculation has done me well. I'll be most likely trading this against Litecoin, meaning that when I sell this, what I sell it for, I'm going to buy it back with the Bitcoin and Litecoin. And when I buy this coin back, it would be from the sale of Litecoin. So in a situation where, say, Litecoin just goes way up, big moves, but this doesn't really, then I'll sell a little bit of the Litecoin and buy some more of it. If it's in a situation where, say, maybe this one goes way up, well, then I would then sell some of this for Bitcoin and then buy Litecoin back with it. So regardless of, I think I said it both right, but just use Bitcoin as the trading tool. I'll download this data probably tomorrow, and I will include it in my spreadsheet. This is the one that I'm using in here, which let me just center it better. But I have Dash, ZEC, Extra Bytes, Komodo, Voxels, Pot, Lomo Coin, and Omi's Go in here. And I will include this one as well. And see how things go, try to swing trade it. I'm starting with an okay amount, but that worked out to 0.07 Bitcoin to get a little over 4,000. And I got well more, noticeably more rather, than 7, which means it is well under 1% of my portfolio in which I am putting in on it. So then we'll see how it goes. Like always, everything's your own risk, own reward. Hey, you know what? It wasn't said in that video, but it's just common sense. And I think it's worth taking the chance at it. And if it goes well, I mean, the way I look at it is if you can get the potential to get like 50, 100, 200, 300, 500x gains, even if it's got an 8% chance, 9% chance of getting those moves, it's mathematically a good play. Alrighty, thank you for tuning in and have yourself a great day. Bye-bye.